a moment error.
Mommy. Yeah, good morning.
I'm the plumber.
Oh yeah, I forgot him.
Yeah.
Okay, my guy asked you to come, right?
Yeah. Please, where is the way to the bathroom?
Okay, just there. You just go over there. Gosh, this guy is so handsome, so cute. This girl looks like who can handle a woman. This time my boyfriend can't even do anything. He's just there, so lazy on bed. Ah, see this guy. Ouch. He's turning me on. My guy is not coming back anytime soon. Hey, hi. Please, can you come help me do something over here?
I'm almost done. Just a minute. I'm done.
Okay, yeah, what I was saying. Please, can you help me lay up high, if you don't mind?
Please, I don't understand.
Like, can you help me lay up? Like, come on, guy. You're not a kid. You should understand what I'm saying.